privilege and a pleasure to have the opportunity to stand before y'all for a lot of reasons. To me, this feels like a family reunion, except we just need a DJ. But I'm really excited, and for a lot of reasons. One, because as I stand in this room today, I'm feeling a lot of different emotions. But I've had the opportunity to work with B&G for the last 12 years. And the word that keeps just running through my mind today is just relationships. The power of relationships. B&G has created a great platform that we're going to talk about, right? But then there's just a lot of synergy that can happen in the room between small businesses as we get to know each other in ways that we can support each other as well. So that's one. On the relationship with B&G, it's been a complete game changer for me, the culture of our business, and a lot of the systems, processes, ways that we operate are many of the things that I've learned from them. But it goes back again to relationships. Israel, Chandra, myself, we kept showing up, kept asking for opportunities, kept looking for ways to be able to learn, to grow. We still are. Why they're here today, why I'm here today, is because there's always new and exciting challenges, right, as small business owners that we encounter. What I love about this team, though, is that they've really been a partner, I would say, on being available and open on how to talk through things. For us, they met us where we were in the beginning, and as we grew, I would say that the opportunities, they kept putting opportunities in front of us to meet us at that growing capacity. For us, and I think with the government group, we just kept working at really perfecting our craft. And as a prime, we completed over 250 plus government contract actions. So we were doing our part to be able to learn the agencies and really learn our business. And then when we connected with the government group, they were really able to show us some things because we had done some work and had some past performance to be able to help take us to that next level.
South Carolina, North Carolina, Alabama, Florida, Tennessee, and Kentucky, and Mississippi. So pretty much I do a lot, and I see a lot of different contracts that come through my desk and come through, they let us know what's going on. So, and I kind of want to give a shout out to Robert and Brasfield Gorrie, because this is great right here. I have never seen a lot of small business in one room and under one big prime. This is touching.
I started plumbing since I was a kid. I've been involved with the business. My father was a subcontractor for a plumbing contractor in the area for 20 years, from 2000 all the way to 2020. I went through some college, I dropped out, became a full-time plumber, took it seriously. I got a license in 2019 and I started, getting our own contracts. And it's really been a family business, all families involved. And then, these opportunities like this has really brought us with Brasfield, kind of connecting with people too. Learning from their experiences as well, and doing the job and managing the job is a big difference, right? So I've been learning along the way, but I think these events have been great. I think Brasfield has given us the opportunity to work with them. In 2022, we got our first job. It was a big job. It was 200 units down in Columbus. We're towards the end of it, but that opened the door for a lot more opportunities. We currently have 3 more contracts with Brasfield right now, and it's thanks to Jessica and these events and always kind of thinking about us as well. And I think it's great for us minorities kind of have contractors like Brasfield to involve us and create equal opportunities for us. My recommendation into getting in with them would be, just be honest about your capabilities. There's going to be issues. You're not perfect, but always find solutions. Always be there to finish the job.